Alrighty everybody, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today it's getting late out, but we are gonna hurry up and go put out our traps. Wax sand. We're gonna go and try to put out as many as we can before it gets dark. I got everything right here loaded up, zip this up, and then zip that bag up. It's already zipped up. And I'm gonna go put out a bunch of different traps. Even if it gets dark, I can go put out a few. I got this camera, and then I got the big camera right in there. So big camera be for low light, this camera be used for whatever. I hope this camera works good in low lighting conditions. I know it might not, but we're gonna wing it, guys. So got all the traps, got everything that is backing up side by side for me right now, and we're about to head out and let's go catch some coyotes. I am so excited, so let's go get it. All right, so we're at the first spot right now, and so this is where I'm thinking I'm putting on the trap right here. Little dirt mound, but I'm also gonna put sticks and stuff behind it. So I'm gonna grab. So why I'm picking this spot is because we've been getting a coyote here almost every night, coming in to this feeder right behind me, walking this trail and stuff. So I'm gonna go and get to it. Let's make it the night fun, guys. So I won't turn on. Some said ain't turning on. Bonnie and Bear left me. They're off going off that way. Bear's right here. Trap. I'm still at the trap. So Dad's coming to get me right now. This sucks, guys. This sucks. Alrighty, everybody. It's actually finally daylight, and it's a day I can go put out the rest of my traps. So as you guys kind of seen last time, I didn't put out all the traps. I only put out one trap, but got the side by side all loaded up, dog proofs, all my footholds, scent, all that stuff. So now we're about to head out, and we're gonna go and try to find good spots and see if we can't get any coyotes, bobcats, anything. So I actually need to go real quick and grab some feathers from the chicken pen, and then we can head on in. Let's go. Alright, so there is my one trap that I put in about 2 days ago now. The one that the side by side broke and all that fun stuff. So it's right there. And I'm thinking about resetting it and kind of redoing it a little bit because it isn't 100%. It ain't good by no means. So I think I'm going to go ahead and redo this trap. Make it look a little bit better than it looks. I mean, it looks natural because you got the leaves and then, like you say, the ruts and stuff going up through here. I don't know. I might leave it, but I am gonna put a little bit more bait in it and see if that helps out a little bit more. So, all right. So I just moved down probably 100 yards from the last spot and found some scat. And there's coyote tracks and stuff. So that's a good sign. So I think I'm gonna put a trap right here. Trying to think of where I should put it. I might have to go get a log or something to put down and make it look good. But right here by this scat, I think it'd be a really good spot. So I'm trying to think if I want to put it right where the side by side is. I'm gonna see because there's a dirt mound. I don't want it too far away from this. But yeah, there's coyote track. Yeah, there's like look. There's a coyote track right there. There's deer tracks, coyote tracks. Coyote track, coyote. That's a big coyote, that's a big foot. So I'm thinking scat's right here, so I'm gonna put it like right over here. I could just grab the scat and then I'm gonna move it. So I'm gonna put my trap right here. Alright guys, so right here I got, this is a Duke trap number 4 offset. And gotta make sure everything's functioning pretty well. Alright. So yeah, this is a Duke trap offset. Man, I don't know how people open their traps up like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, there's a mound right here. I'm also gonna get like a stick or something, or a rock that's sitting right over here. There's a mound right here. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put my trap about, I'm gonna put my dip hole in. So move this stuff out. Got my auger. So let's see, I want my trap to be like right here. I'll put my dirt hole like right here. Alright, so we got a nice deep hole right here. And so, since I got that all out, I'll go move it. So now I'm gonna make where my trap needs to go. Let's see, hole. The trap needs to go like right in here. So where I'm getting all this information on all my trapping supplies and stuff is, I'm getting all my information on what I need to get and how to set it is from Grow Jack Outdoors. I'll have his channel linked in the description. He's helping me out big time, watching his videos and learning how to put these traps in. And I'm hoping it works. I hope it better, which I think it will, because right here is a perfect area where I need to put a trap. So, alright, so I got my trap bed in. Alright, so now I'm gonna put my stake in. Right up underneath of it. He said he makes it where the wires and the stake underneath his trap. So that's what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna set this. Yeah, okay. So I can't set these traps yet, they ain't broken in. So I'm gonna have to do it like this. Do it like this. Like that, bam. Okay, so that right there. That right there is a ready to go trap. So now I'm gonna dig a little trench to put my wire. Alright. So now I'm gonna go place my trap in. How do I want it? Something like this. I'm wondering why I'm not going in. Alright, I might have to make this a little bit deeper hole. A little bit deeper. Trap goes in perfectly. Like that. And then I can pack it in. So what I'm gonna do now is get me some wax sand. That much should be good. Grab that in, and then lay down my trap. Sure, I get it in there snug. Don't want that. Don't want this trap moving. If it moves, the coyote is out of there. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna go here, grab me a pen cover. All I make my pen covers out of is a wax paper, parchment wax. Whatever. Lay that over the top of that. Now lay some more sand on it. Don't want nothing going in there. So make sure that's in there good. So now when they step on that, it's game over for them. Set that to the side. Now I'm gonna grab this hard stuff. Try to make it clean as I can. That looks good right there. Now I kind of make it where I was not known. Alright, so now it's time to bait this trap up. So, got this stick, and I'm just getting these branches off so I can use them for my bait. First thing I'm gonna do, got some lion and beaver once again, and get a nice serving of it. Right there. Got a nice amount. I'm gonna shove that up back in the hole. That back. Now I got some skunk etchers right here. Move that back up in there. All the way back up in there. So I got some skunk etchers. Stinks. Just dip that in there. Set that on top. Then I got some Coyote. Also gonna put on top. A little bit on top. There you go. That right there is a perfectly set trap. Got me a rock. I'm gonna set me a rock right there. Like that. That's how I'm gonna do it. So right there, guys, is the trap. Tell me that don't look very good. It looks amazing to me. Right there, pan. Right there to the hole. Hole's baited up. Oh, hold on. Oh, I need to put pee and stuff on that. But right there, that's what the trap looks like. It looks really good. All right, so now let's head on. Let's go get some other traps put up. Just got another set down. Right there. Whole trap is right there. So she's ready to go. She's locked and loaded. Alright, so that is the third trap we have put up. Now we're gonna go put up our fourth trap. Alrighty, so I just got this one done. Y'all can see right there. Hole is right there. Trap is like right there. Looks good. Put a little bit of urine on the top, skunk etris, and the bait is in there. So, all right, so that's the fourth trap now. So now I'm gonna go down this way. This is at a tee, and I talked to one of my buddies, Scott Hampton, that I went hunting with last year, and he said I need to go try hunting down there. So I'm gonna go put a trap down there, try it out. All right, so I'm down here at the tee where we just said you're coming off of, and this is the trap right here. Can't even tell it's right underneath that big glob of them right there. But this is a bobcat trap. There's a trail coming right here from right over there, and it goes out like y'all could see the creek bottom. It goes and goes and goes and goes. So I know animals, deer, whatever, could walk in this trail. Bobcats, deer, coyotes, I know they all walk in this trail. So what I did was I put a little bit of my scent on this side, and I put bobcat urine, and I got all the feathers there, and that's gonna hopefully get a bobcat in. I hope it does. It better, because we have, like I said, a big old bobcat that I popped a picture up of. That thing is giant, and y'all can't tell me it ain't. So that's up, and it's 120 yards from where we got the big bobcat picture. So I only got one more good trap, or one of my new traps in there. I got 2 more in there. I'm gonna try to go put out 1 more. I'm all out of wax sand. I got a little bit left where I think I can make 1 more trap. I got plenty, and my DeWalt deal is dying, so I could put 1 more setup. I think I'm just gonna go down this road and put 1 more setup. Down here though is really, really, really rocky, especially down there at the creek. I barely got that trap in, but luckily I got I got to drive it in all the way in. The stake and stuff is all the way in. So now I'm just gonna go up this trail and I'm gonna find a new spot to just put a coyote trap with a foothold. All right, so I was sitting here doing this trap and I was dusting it with my hand. Got my finger in it. Got my thumb in it. It's fine. It just kind of peeled some skin on it. And then Mom called me and I was dusting it again. Boom, got my other finger. So this trap don't look the best. The hole's right there. The trap's somewhere right in there. I ran out of wax sand. I ran out of everything because the first time I had it perfectly bedded and everything, boom, it blew up on my fingers. So that's done. It don't look the best, but it's just, hey, it's just there. So if coyote comes by and tries, just boom, just steps in it. So those triggers are so soft. Well, that's gonna wrap it up right here of us setting them up. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Alrighty, so it is the 2nd day now. It's the morning time and we're headed up to the first spot right now. We're going up to the spot where we have the trail with 2 traps on it. So let's go see if we got anything. Last time we actually got a bobcat on camera right by it, like 20 yards from my trap. So if we got a bobcat the first night, that is gonna be awesome. So let's go look at this. Alright, we're pulling up all the traps right now. Let's see if we got anything. Nothing. There's the trap. That surprised me big time that nothing was in there. There's a bobcat. Legit came right through there. Oh. Alright, go on to the next one. There's another one right down here. And I feel like anything coyote wise walking down this trail is really over. Alright, so the battery died on the GoPro, so we'll pull up there right now. That's the best looking one I did yesterday. Right there, you can kind of see where the trap is, and it's in the sunlight, but right there underneath that rock is my dirt hole. You got some scat right there, so I don't know. I'm thinking if one of the days we're gonna get one there. So let's go on to the next one. There's my 3rd trap right there by that log. Don't look like nothing mess with it or play with it. So, alright, so we got 3 more traps. So let's go check them. Alright, right here is our 4th. As you can see, nothing. Well, that trap looks really good in there. Right there by a log. We got 2 more traps down this way, so let's put the trap right down there. See those feathers right there, guys? Looks like nothing on that one. That's another good spot I feel like we'll get one at. Like a bobcat especially. There's our other trap. This one ain't in there very well. Like, it ain't put good in there, but there it is. That trap was just everything I had left to throw in there because I had my drill die on me. I had no wax sand. And the trap set off on me twice on my finger, so that's fun. Well, that's gonna wrap it up here, guys. If y'all guys like this video, please leave a big like, subscribe for more videos like this. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna try to video every time I come out and check the traps. So I should be having a video out on each one of the days of checking the traps if we get one. But stay tuned for those videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.